Poseidon is fire. First use water.
Okay, so are you excited to meet them, class?
First use water.
So, the first God is the supreme Lord, or the supreme ruler of all gods. He is also the God of sky, and he is symbolized by his weapon, the most powerful thunderbolt. And also, Romans call him Jupiter. Jupiter, and he is symbolized by an eagle, but oftentimes he is symbolized by his weapon, the thunderbolt. So, yes, do you have an idea who he is? Zeus. Okay. So, very good. He is Zeus. So, again, the supreme ruler of all gods is Zeus. And he has a wife. He has a wife named Hera. So, Hera is the next goddess. Do you know, class, that Zeus, being the supreme ruler, is a womanizer? Yes. Oh, he hates those who lie and break their promises, but he himself is a cheater of his own wife. So he has many love affairs with other women. That's why Hera, her jealous wife, has many stories that tells about her anger, her jealousy, and also her revenge towards the mistress of Zeus, towards the sons and daughters of the two other women. So Hera is the wife of Zeus and also her sister. And Hera is the protector of marriage, and also we can consider her as the goddess of marriage, since she herself needs to protect her own marriage. She's also familiar with magic. Romans call her Juno. As you all know, Juno is the month of June is named after her, and she is symbolized by pomegranate, the cow, the mother, the animal, and the pig. So again, who is the wife of Zeus? How about the god of the sky? Okay, very good. Next is Poseidon. So Poseidon is also a brother of Zeus and Hera. Next to Zeus, who is the most powerful god of all, Poseidon is the second, the most powerful. So he is the god of the sea, the lord of all horses, and he is called the earth shaker. Romans call him Neptune, and he is symbolized by his weapon, the three-pointed trident. Okay? So again, he's the god of the sea. Very good. Let's now move on to another brother of the first three gods and goddess. So this god is the god of the underworld.
Wait, hey.
Romans call him Pluto, and he is symbolized by his helmet, the helm of darkness, which whenever he wears it, he becomes invisible. So that is one of his weapons. So who do you think it is? Yes, Hades. Very good. So the next, the god of the